Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how we can make a custom theme. I will tell you the simplest and the quickest way of making a custom theme. We will use the default WordPress theme, one of the default WordPress themes, to make our own custom theme. Now for that we can install any default WordPress theme, the themes provided by WordPress itself. If I come here, in the last few lessons we were using this 2012 theme to make and understand the WP query and the meta query and the text query, which were discussed in the last lessons. Now almost our the topics of WP query is complete. Now we will think about how we can convert this default WordPress theme into our own theme. Now to do that, we will actually come to the folder where the site is installed. The site is installed here in www. This is the name of my website. We'll come to WP content, themes, and here we have the 2012 theme that we were using for the last few lessons to make our to understand different concepts of different things of WordPress. Now today we are going to make a custom theme using this default theme. Now it's not necessary that you complete all your work and then make a theme, a custom theme. You can actually make a theme by your name before starting or customizing any of the things of the WordPress site that you are going to make. Now let's do it. Let's start doing it. The way I will do it is I will use a default WordPress theme and I will rename that theme according to my requirement and then make some necessary adjustments to make this theme work. To do that, we will actually come to the themes folder, come to www first project. This is the name of our site on localhost. As you can see that the site name is first project, and here is the theme that we are using. As I have shown you, if you want to access this page, you need to go to appearance, and then from there you can click on themes, or even if you click on appearance, you will directly come to this page, which is the themes page. It is showing that we have only one theme installed, that is 2012 theme, and to access exactly this portion of the website, we can access it through here, first project, WP content, and themes. Now from here we will rename this 2012 to, either we can copy paste it or we can rename it directly. That's up to us. Now I am going to rename this, and the name of the theme that I am going to place here is first project. Now this is the name of my theme. Now after renaming this folder or creating a copy of this folder with a new name, what I need to do is I need to go to the style.css, and I will open this style.css in Dreamweaver, and I will rename this 2012 to the theme name that I gave it, first project, and we will actually use this name at all the places. We have to remove these things, I think. Or not removing it will also work as well, that's no issue. Okay, I'm going to save it. Now this is saved. Now if I click on, my theme is made. Now we have to do it in two steps. This is what I have told you. This is the simplest and the quickest way of creating your own custom theme. Now the theme is renamed. I have renamed the theme in the style.css. Now you can see my theme is here. I can activate it, and here we are. Now our theme is active. Only thing visible here is this 2012 is still visible here. So we need to make sure that the theme must be the image must be from our website. So here is our default look of this page. Now what we are going to do is, in this theme folder that we have created, the first project theme, this is the screenshot.png. we need to actually open this screenshot in Photoshop. Now this is open. Now I will come here on the front end. I'm clicking on F11 to make it full screen, and I will click on function key and F11, the print screen key. Now this screen is captured. I will come to Photoshop and paste it here. Now this is the screenshot of my page. I can place it slightly properly. Okay, here we are. Now I'll save it. The default extension is PNG, so I'll move for PNG. Here JPEG is selected, so I'll click on PNG and save it. I have to give exact location of my theme. Now in WAMP folder on D drive, I have this www folder, first project, themes, first project. This is the name of my theme, and this is the screenshot.png, and I have overwritten it. Now if I refresh my screen, this one, I will see the new image that I have given it. Control Shift R to make a hard refresh. Now you can see the whole theme is renamed, and the image of the theme is also changed. You can also change this text as well, because the theme is totally changed. So you can change these tags as well if you like to copy, and you can give your own tags which you think may be relevant to your theme that you have just created. Now I'll see again, refresh, and see the tags will be changed. Okay, one big issue that comes as you create a new custom theme, a big issue arises sometimes. For example, sometimes you use some other theme and it has some widgets. Now as you rename the theme and make your own theme, what happens is that if you are using widgets on the page, for example, sometimes or most of the time there are some widgets in the footer area or in the sidebar. So sometimes it happens that as you rename your theme or recreate a custom theme, the widgets on the theme disappears. Now there are two ways to make them to bring them back. Number one is to make the widgets again. This is the hard and the complex and a difficult way. The simplest way is actually to install a new plugin that is called import export widgets. I'm going for add new plugin. Here I look for import export widgets. Now you can see on this search results, here is the one that we are looking for. Install now. We are going to install this plugin and activate from here. Now the plugin is active. Remember, before creating a custom theme, or if you have done everything, completed your website and you have made all the widgets, everything that was required, you have made it, and then after that you decide to transfer or to change the actually theme name to your own custom name. In that scenario, you need to take the backup of the widgets first. So I have installed this plugin. So before renaming the themes, you need to go to this import export widgets thing, and you will export all the widgets. Now this is the file that is created. Now then you will rename the theme according to your requirement. I think if you use the default WordPress themes and rename them, that will not be illegal. So you can actually use a default WordPress theme and rename it according to your required theme name, and then you can use it easily. Now, before doing any of this process, you need to export all the plugins, and after that you will rename the theme, and after renaming the theme you have to import these widgets again, and in this way no widgets will be lost, and you will get all the widgets that were on the old theme on the newer theme. So that's how you can create your own custom theme using any default WordPress theme. There are other ways as well. You can create child themes, and you can create your own themes as well, but this is the quickest and the fastest and the simplest method to create your own theme. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe the channel so that you will get the future lessons easily. I'm going to make a whole series of this WordPress, and I will now, this is the time I'm going to touch the important topics. The next topic will be how we can make a search form, custom search form using WP query and the meta query and the taxonomy query that we learned in the last lesson. So I'm going to use that WP query in my next lesson to create a custom search form, and how that form works and how that can be built and how it will work. So we'll learn that in the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.